I'm going to show you how to turn the ball of yarn that you usually wind up after you're done with your projects into a nice, neat skein that pulls from the middle. And it's not a ball that can roll around the floor. So this is really great. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do this. So here is a larger ball of yarn, and here's the end. So what I do is I just wind it around my thumb twice, and then I just start winding from the ball of yarn. And let's see, as you can see, let me pull this back. There's the ball. And then just wind it up. You're gonna just start on your hand like this and just keep winding. Whoops, 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 it just fell to the floor. Wait, hold on 1 second. Now it's all, that's exactly my point when dealing with this ball, because every time you work on it, it rolls all over the place. So this is just a much neater way to keep your yarn intact. So I'm gonna just speed this up and I'll show you after I do this right here. So you just go side to side. Okay, now it's all over the floor. You just go side to side like this, and then back over this way. And then you just keep doing that back and forth, back and forth. I look like a mummy. Okay, so I'm coming up to the end and I have all of this yarn on my hand. And you're gonna leave, you know, like you're gonna leave about a 2-foot piece of yarn at the end. And then you just pull it off of your hand like that. And you leave this little tail out here. You just take this piece and you're gonna just wind it around the center, a couple times like that. And then you just take this end and you tuck it under right there. And then what you're left with is this. And you can just pull the yarn from the center and it just makes everything so much easier. So I hope you try this because it's such a great way to store your yarn and also to use it for your next project. Have a great day. Bye.